So hello again people, really nice sunshine outside but windy and chilly wind. My panels are ready to start flying or something, and I have a surprise, they are really delivering now. It's like 13 degrees outside, but like I said, it's windy. Look at this power generating, 731 watts. It was never like that. 25.2 amps, and this is marvelous. Let me see. Okay, here we have the status for today. So yes, it was reaching more than 700, and that somehow proves that the theory, like well cooled panels are delivering better energy. This is a fact. So now I can say I have from the panels instant 25.4 amps, like 901 watts, 903, 905. So this is almost to the parameters, like I remember it was 950 watts. This is great. I never had this kind of power before. It should be nice to have this every day, but I'm afraid we can't. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for now. I'll be back with some news. Bye bye.